Ew, that's a bidet. That's gross. That's gross. Pretty gross.
Всего доброго.
Those big rims.
И здоровья вам. Ну и как тоже по ветру держать будем, да? Самый старинный испробованный способ, да?
Само собой.
Ладно, счастливо.
Right is a $50. Both for 60. Yeah, I put new battery for both.
How are you doing this morning?
Good, good. Good. How about you?
I'm good. How much is your PS2?
Yeah, $30.
30? Cable for it. Right there.
Yeah, I got a bunch of those just like
Yeah, seeing if you had the cords. And what about this old Xbox with the Kinect? How much is that?
Yeah, it should be together.
What's that?
Is it together?
You got 30,
Yeah.
Xbox, is it 30 is it 40?
20.
40.
40?
40.
40. 30, 40.
What about this PS3?
Yeah, is it 32?
It all work, or
Yeah.
you don't have controllers? But oh, this is the Xbox cord. Got a whole bunch of stuff. Mom, they got a DVD player
Where?
right here.
How
DVD.
much is the DVD player? I
Oh,
bought
it's Blu-ray too. Yeah, DVD and Blu-ray.
I bought a DVD.
What your price?
$3.
$3. Okay,
$3.
Oh, the only reason
She's a
I-
cheapskate.
I'm gonna use it once. I went and bought a DVD, The Sound of Music for the grandkids. So I'm all excited. And last night I set them all down.
Yeah,
I
it's
give
a
it,
sign.
yeah, I give it to my husband. And he goes over and he goes, "We don't have a DVD." And I'm like, "Oh no, I'm so depressed." And I'm like, "Oh."
Where'd you get all these electronics? You got a bunch of stuff.
This is from storage.
Storage, oh yeah. You do storage auctions? Like you buy, oh that's fun. That's fun. Oh,
What story?
he buys storage units.
Oh, really?
Yeah. Let me, if I buy a bunch, you give me a better deal?
Yeah, sure.
Yeah? Okay, let me make a pile and then we'll talk price after I have a pile set. Make sure I got the power cord and then that AV cable.
I gotta get this for my granddaughter. The other day, my other grandson got it.
Controller.
So excited. Okay. How much for the whole box? Like $3?
He knows your price point.
Yeah.
The $3 lady is here. Sanyo
Well,
LG.
there's a lot of toys for the kids.
Yesterday we got 5. Today is from 3.
Yeah.
Oh, is this your second day?
Yeah.
Kate is gonna like that. So that's good. It's all about the green, I think. I made that. 12, and I made 13. I want to do
Oof, that's seen better days, but wow, you got a fun storage unit. Definitely up my alley. All the old game stuff.
Yeah, I got a bunch of yesterday.
Oh yeah?
Full box. Somebody comes to
Really?
pick up all.
Yeah.
How does that work? You bid on them?
Yeah, it's like an auction.
Yeah, from online.
Oh, this is the cord for the Xbox. That's like if you want to make copies of DVDs. Wonder if this has a power cord here. Western Digital. kind of busted. Okay. That's new.
That's all the wires. Oh, they have DVD. I'm gonna buy a DVD player.
Oh, this is cool. That's to hold your controller on the couch. Put that, and then you
Oh,
put your
that's cool.
TV remote in there. That's neat. This is like a knockoff PSP. Super game card. Mom, remember these? Pagers.
Oh yeah. yeah. Back in the day.
Oh yeah, DVDs.
So,
Any video games in here?
I think yes for this. Everybody.
Probably, yeah. People, yeah, this is like a box for a game. Yeah, those sell quick, huh? Hollywood movie.
Yeah, I think so.
Yeah. Wow. Oh, these Nikes are cool. Are those, I'm assuming all this in the garage is for sale? Yes?
The backside of this.
Okay.
oh my goodness, all these shoes.
Yes, and new, brand new. For
Oh,
$5.
my-
$5.
For $1?
$5.
$5.
Yeah, it's brand new.
Oh, wow. Whoa. That was in a storage unit?
Yes.
Jeez. That's overwhelming. That's like a lot of shoes.
Mustang,
Wow.
are they good? I don't,
I don't know, never heard of it, but and they seem like lady shoes, so they're not for me.
Wow, that is crazy.
Ma, this is cool
Yeah.
for Dad. Look at that, all that hunting stuff.
Yeah.
Bunch of heads.
My dog would like to sleep on this. How much is this?
Pokemon cards.
Not worth it for my dog. I mean, I love my dog,
16.
but. What? Yeah. Well, no, she's who looks that color? I don't know. I kind of want to buy it for her, but then I think you don't need it. It's what? Is it real? What is it?
I don't know exactly what it is.
I don't know what she would think of it. I would have to sew it and put like a it's not worth it. I'm just thinking, you know, for her to lay on. She's a little, I'll show you a picture of her. She's adorable. If I can find her. She looks that color though.
You got all types of cool stuff. Ma, did you buy this box of toys for $3? Did you
yeah,
buy that?
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah. Figured why not.
Yeah.
I think he said 3, and how much to go?
She's showing her dog. You know we're at a good sale. She's showing her dog.
Be nice.
Bunch of phones. This guy's got him. He's definitely a reseller, but he must have too much inventory.
That's my Lisa's. This is Lisa's dog.
This guy.
She might like it, but you know what? I spoil her. So, oh, all right. That's it. It does work for you.
You check it, but is it working?
It does work. Okay. Okay. But I don't
Ew.
wanna,
That's a bidet.
yeah,
That's
my
gross.
grandchildren.
That's
That's the
gross.
reason I'm buying it for this one DVD.
Pretty gross.
I found it the other day. Do I need any other coins for it, or that's it?
What's the...
No, that's not it. Babe, do I
Yeah.
need the cords with this, or just you plug it in? Is that all?
You just need an HDMI cable and a power cord. So if you have the power cord, you probably already have an HDMI cable.
Okay, so don't worry about it. Okay.
Yeah.
All right. Let me give him this money before I forget.
What do I got here?
You said 6. Rubik's Cube.
Is there a Rubik's Cube?
Yes.
You should get it for Eli.
No, Sage has for it because she was playing with Elijah's yesterday.
Well, give her the Rubik's Cube and give him that
Yeah.
weird one.
Yeah, I'll give him that
Because he'd
one.
like to probably learn a new
Yeah.
puzzle.
Yeah. Well, you're
Yeah.
screwing it up on him. He'll get that, and she'll get the other, and
Yeah,
then
very cool. All right, so can you price me out, sir? Let's get a bargain. I'm curious on those, depending on if your price is good.
If you, each one for $1, but if you all box for $100.
Okay, yeah, I'm not that interested. So what about these?
Okay, this is
2 shoes,
3.
Snoopy or Scooby, and then a couple of consoles and most of the controllers for them.
73. This total maybe 150.
150. It is a lot of money. So we were at 30 and 30 was 60, and then 100, and so 50 for all these little extras.
big box.
Yeah, I don't know. That seems high for some of this stuff.
But I wouldn't know anything. I don't. I know nothing.
Yeah, especially not being able to test it. What do you have on these? What are you thinking on these?
Is talking about price?
How much? Yeah, just
Yeah,
for the
just
shoes.
$5.
5 each for the U shoes. Yeah, I'd give you 100 for the pile.
120 is good.
I think 100 is where I'm at.
Okay.
Yeah. Okay. Thanks, man. I just, without being able to test all the stuff, it's just hard for me to commit higher than that.
Yes, my sound low, check everything is important.
Here you go, 100 bucks.
Right.
Thank you, man. I don't mean to be hard, but I just don't know. Just don't know. And I've got some friends that bought storage units and a lot of the stuff didn't work, so you got to be careful. Yeah. Thank you, sir.
Thank you.
Yep.
You have a good day.
I think I'm good. She might need help. Hey everyone, thanks for coming with me to that yard sale. That guy was a big reseller. He had storage unit buys and all this other stuff, and so I did my best. I don't think I did all, like, now that I've watched the footage back and I've looked up some of the stuff, I think he had pretty fair offers. I kind of wish I had bought that taxidermy stuff, even though you're not really supposed to sell it in North Carolina. I could have sold it in Florida where my mom lives, because you can sell it there, no problem. And taxidermy stuff does sell for good money. But anyways, all that aside, I got a bunch of video game stuff from him. I got a 360, PS2, and a PS3. I didn't buy the Atari because there was a bunch of pieces broken off and I didn't want to mess with it. I'm sure I got some comments saying, why didn't you buy that? I got a retro bit. That's like a little $8 controller. I grabbed a bunch of controllers that I saw in there. I mean, here's why I was kind of, because I know I was kind of a jerk with the negotiation. I felt guilty for like an hour after that. But my problem was his price on the 3 consoles was $100. I bring him back this bin with basically all I've added is the controllers and the cables for these consoles and a couple pairs of shoes, and he ups the price $50. So to me, it didn't really seem like a fair deal, and I really didn't feel like I added $50 worth of stuff. I mean, those shoes were youth Nikes. They're not worth much. I've looked into them. They're worth like 15 bucks a pair. So yeah, oh, and the Scooby thing. A little Scooby couch companion that holds your controllers. I just didn't add big dollar stuff. To me, it felt like I added maybe 30 bucks worth of stuff. He already wanted 100. I was trying to get a bulk buy. So I asked him for a good deal and he offers me 150. So I was kind of rude. I'm sorry. But I did get the stuff and I have not tested any of it yet. I still have it here. I need to test it. Maybe I'll get to it today. If the stuff works, I know I can get $100 for the PS3. If the stuff works. I don't know if it does. This, I should be able to get like what, 80 bucks? You guys let me know what I can get for a PS2. 80 bucks for a fat Xbox 360 with Kinect. I've sold a couple of those for 80 to 100. So if it all works, I might have 300 bucks here, you know, if you add in the shoes. So you know, 120 to 300. That's a nice profit for me. I'm sure it's a great profit from him for his storage units. So I think everyone wins. My mom bought a Blu-ray player because she wanted to watch Sound of Music with her grandkids, and they watched Sound of Music, and then she gave me the DVD player or the Blu-ray player for what she paid. She paid $3. So funny. He was at $10 and he went down to $3 for her. So I don't know. She gets the deals. But that is an LG. It's part of a home entertainment system. Where did I put it? One of these top shelves. But yeah, that one itself actually sells for around $60. So she had a pretty good pick there. Like I said, she sold it to me and I'm going to sell it. So yeah, pretty cool sale. Hope you guys enjoyed the footage. Thank you for watching. See you next time. Oh, real quick. What about those shoes? He had so many shoes. Should I have bought those? I mean, if I lived in Florida, I would have been tempted to give him a bulk price and buy them all, but he's already having trouble selling them. So I don't know if I want the problem on my shoulders. Okay. Thanks guys. See you later.